Good day. I am Joshua Victor Cabahug and my groupmates are King Dave Laurente and Juice William Carino. And we will talk about our project Home Apothecary, which is an IoT-based medicine intake monitoring technology for all the elderly using names-based algorithm. As the population ages, there is an increasing need for healthcare professionals to monitor medication intake for the elderly. Elderly individuals often have complex medication regimens and can have difficulty keeping track of their medications, which can lead to medication errors and adverse drug events. According to the World Health Organization, medication errors are a significant cause of morbidity and mortality among older adults. Moreover, older adults are more susceptible to adverse drug reactions due to the age-related changes in drug metabolism and polypharmacy.
The materials and methods. The group used these components in creating the hardware. Arduino Uno, rotor, HC SR04 sensor. We also use a breadboard and jumper wires. Now, in terms of software, we use the Arduino IDE to help program the functionality of the software itself, like the Arduino rotor and the sensor. And then we used the Python language with the use of PyCharm to connect the Arduino to our algorithm, since our algorithm Naves base is programmed in Python.
So in this slide, you can see photos, which is our results, and that's why they are here for a reason. And I will be explaining each photo and what they mean. So the first picture is our current state of the hardware. As you can see, this is our hardware. It's the prototype, and it's where the Arduino and breadboard are encased in a cardboard with a hole for the wire to connect to the laptop to pass through. And it's really important for the wire to connect to the laptop. That's why we made the hole, so that it looks also a bit tidy despite it being just a prototype. And then the sensor is attached to the rotor with a tape and base that was with the rotor when bought. The next picture is then the Python code over here for the Naves base algorithm. So this is a really important code, and it's what makes our prototype or our project work. You know, the scale underscore learn was imported through the code and used as a Gaussian NB function to get the means of the angles and distance within the day of the week. Using an XLSX writer, the means of the angles and distance within the days of the week is recorded. So this is our algorithm that records the angles within the certain day of the week. Then the third picture shows the calibrated data, which is the most likely position of the elderly's hand within the day of the week. So it basically senses, or it has a sensor that senses the angle of the hand of the elderly, and it will be the reference which the program will indicate whether the elderly took their medicine or not. So then the fourth photo is the visualization of the position in front of the sensor. As you can see, the white line here, or not this white line, but this white outline here shows or indicates the sensor sensing the angle of the hand of the elderly. So when the buttons are pressed, it will change the day of the week that is being recorded. So as you can see here, it is the date and the time, and yeah. So then
For our awards and recognition, it is on progress and we are under the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines.